that cover section 1.8 and chapter 2, okay, is available. The time that available gonna be from today to Friday. It's closed at 11 p.m. because you're gonna need time to scan your work and submit it before midnight. So I have kind of the wiggle room for you, or the room in between, just to make sure that you submit it. If you wait until Friday, if you take it before Friday, not a big deal, because if you submit it after 11, after 12 for the scrap paper, it's going to show as late work, or it might not take your work. Okay, so the time for the time that available going to be Wednesday to Friday. You're gonna time the limit time limit going to be 180 minutes or 3 hours. You have plenty of time, and two attempts. Okay, the best attempt gonna be graded, and I assume the second attempt gonna be the one that I'm supposed to grade or view your work. The scrap paper, if you are not satisfied with the second attempt, you're gonna go back to the first one. In that case, please email me. Let me know that I'm supposed to look at your first attempt in Hawks. Okay. If you are happy with the first one, it's all good. So don't have to worry about it. How many questions? I believe. Let me see.
20.
I think I have the information in there, but I might have missed it. So let me see real quick. Excuse me. uh, I will back to answer that questions, and actually it's not very important how many questions. It's gonna be enough time for you to complete it. Okay, so let me go back to over here real quick. When you are ready to take the exam, go to the week 4 folder, week 4 module, and look at the exam 1 folder. Okay, and then gonna be step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, you go through the honor log. No double monitor, so just one single monitor. And then step number 2, go back to Hawks to access the exam. So you're gonna have to come back to honor log. So leave the window open. Okay, so you access the exam in Hawks, and when they ask for the password, So look for the honor log small window. Okay, after insert the password, you start the exam, and then you submit the exam. So step number 3, you take a picture or scan your formula card. And the work from your scrap paper, and then upload a single file into Blackboard. And the step 3 link, that is the location that you upload your work. Okay, and let me go back to the question about the questions, the number of the problems. They are test link, this one. Manage detail. They are 14 question, 100 points. Okay. So I have 3 hours. So 14 questions. And the total 100 points. You are allowed to use the calculator. calculator, or use the web-based calculator, the Desmos, the link already added to on the log. So if you click on, open another window, desmos.com/calculator will be can be used. Okay, calculator. And then this is the calculator and the note card or the formula card. So it has to be a single page, either size, whatever that you think, the size that you need to put all the information. Not all the information, all the formulas. I emphasize the formulas, not the content, not the concept. All right, next question. Are you allowed to give us all the formulas we will be using on the exam? I just did, right? I allow you to use the formula on the exam. Yes, that whatever you think you need, you put in the formula card and you have to scan it.
No, I think what he's saying is, so you're gonna have to, if you have the book, you can look in the book. They have the formula
No,
charts,
no,
and then if
you
you
are
have
not. No, you are not allowed to use the book. You are not allowed to use the class note. You are allowed to use one single page that
right,
contain the formula in there.
I think what he's asking is if you could provide it, and what I'm trying to say is like if you have the book or if you have some of the class notes in there, you give the formula, you take it, you write it down on your paper, and
Right,
that's
exactly. Exactly.
what the hell plan out.
Thank you. Is that what you meant, Ben?
Yeah, thanks, Ray.
All right, good. Sorry if I didn't understand you at the beginning. Okay. More questions? Can we use our own calculator in hand instead of Desmos? Yes, you have options here. You can use your own calculator. You can use the web-based calculator, or you can use the on-screen calculator provided by Honor. So you have 3 options for the computational tools. Okay, you're welcome. So let's see more questions. So join a meeting, cancel. Do you guys have more questions about the exam process?
On the second attempt for the exam, is it the same questions or is it like similar questions?
They are similar questions. They are not exactly the same. For the you're gonna have the same number of the questions, but instead of using the function, I just make it up, okay? Like 20 minus 5x, then the next attempt gonna be 15 minus 3x, something like that. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, if everything is exact